Hey y'all, welcome back to Chaz's Cuisines. Today I'll be making a juicy Cajun butter seafood boil. So first we're going to start with a boiling pot of water. You're going to put Old Bay in there. I would say about 5 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. You're going to give that a stir and let that boil for a couple more minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and drop our red potatoes in the pot. Now you're going to take your frozen snow crab legs and you're going to go ahead and drop those in and push it down some to make sure it's fully covered with the water. Next, we're going to drop our sliced sausage in the pot. I love to use Roger Wood sausages, it's the best flavor. Then you're going to take a smaller pot while your seafood is cooking and add 4 sticks of unsalted butter, or actually salted butter, a squeeze of lemon juice, Old Bay seasoning, garlic seasoning, paprika, a little bit of Cajun seasoning. I add Sazon Spanish seasoning just to give that color. Give that a little stir. And for the heat, it should be a low to simmer heat. Your seafood should have been boiling for about 20 minutes. You're going to check your potatoes to make sure they're a little soft. Not too much, but the perfect amount, pork tender at least. So when that is tender enough, go ahead and add your jumbo shrimp and let that cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. At this point, you can turn off your stove. So when your sauce is boiling down, you're gonna add another stick of unsalted butter and some hot sauce. What I did, I drained my snow crabs first, so I'll have access to my fixings. So you're gonna take 2 turkey bags or large oven bags, place your snow crabs in there and start building up your seafood bags. Your sausage, your potatoes, your shrimp. Last step, you're going to take your Cajun butter sauce and drizzle that all over your seafood. Get all those seasonings in there. I also added some chopped garlic cloves. Now you're going to tie your bags or just close them slightly and shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And simple, quick, and easy. 30-minute meal. That's all you have to do. And you can enjoy. Thank you for stopping by.